Hey, buddy, did you have a good nap? Yeah. Oh, cutie. All right, so we're up here now. It is windy, it is cold, but what I'm thinking would be a good idea is maybe we can work on picking up getting that old tarp and stuff ripped off today. I have limited time. I need to be out of here by like 1:30, latest like 2 o'clock. I have some other stuff to do this afternoon, so work on something that's a little easy and then kind of see like what the tarp situation is and stuff like that. Now Rosie put strict rules that Archer is not to stay at the tent without her first. She wants to show him camping and the tent and stuff like that, but it doesn't hurt to come up here for the day and do some work a few days. Here we got her. Alright, here we start. As you can see, this is quite the mess. Talking with Dad, he said that he gets a few years out of a tarp. So there's probably 3 tarps and then some house wrap on there as well. That all has failed over time. We just get so much snow that it pushes down on there and it'll just eventually, the tarp just can't stand that weight. Also, there's a considerable risk for a fire hazard and stuff like that here also, which I'm going to talk about more in the next scene that's sped up like this, but quite a bit of work. This here is my 1967 Sears Suburban lawn tractor, and I put the winch on the front. I've actually put 2 different engines in it. The original one ran, but it burned through just a ton of oil. I tried to rebuild it, but it was a goner. Since then we've had 2. I blew up one, and now there's this one, but really stout garden tractor, and with that dozer blade on the front, that's a different random Gravelli snow blade thing that I've heavily modified and welded, and with the addition of that, it does work pretty good. You can see here I don't have chains on it yet, and so it does lose out on a little bit of traction, but it beats shoveling, and Archer has a fun time riding on my lap when I'm tooling around in this thing. I use it a lot at home too. So as you can tell, there's a lot of pine needles that are bunched up here, and I think this was kind of fighting us with the snow load as well, because any snow that was going to slough off would probably just get bound up on the bottom with all these pine needles. Also, let me know what you guys think of the camera. This is a GoPro Hero 7 that I bought used, but my big thing was I noticed on our statistics that like 75 to 80% of you are watching this on large TV screens, and so I'm trying to bump up the quality. This is like 2400, 24K. I'm going to bump it to 4K after this round of videos because I believe my editing software can handle it, but you'll have to let me know if it looks any better on the big screen. So I put the chains on the tractor, and that made a big difference. A lot less sliding around and stuff like that. And it'll actually push so hard it'll pick that front end right up off the ground, which is pretty nice. But rather than push that material down the hill, I'm gonna hang tight here because I think I might want to shovel it and haul it off. But now what I'm gonna work on is taking this stuff out. This is like a little storage area. We're gonna be removing this stuff, setting it to the side so I can get that leaf blower in here and blow out all the needles, because that's my main concern is all these needles. There's like 3 to 5 inches of needles, and they hold moisture, and they're just not really, they kind of amplify stuff rotting. So we're gonna get this all cleaned up and blown out, and that way we can kind of see what we're working with. I think it looks a million times better, and I'd love to have a fire and burn all this punky stuff today, but the wind is blowing. Everything's damp, but the wind is blowing, and I don't want to risk, you know, a wildfire or something like that on my watch. So yeah, we're just gonna work on getting this really cleaned up good today, and then we'll have to come back maybe like Saturday or Sunday, tomorrow or the next day essentially, and continue on from there. Right, buddy? Right? My little helper here, he's eating dirt and loving it. Got Kenna here too. So there's a lot of needles in there though, and it was hard to kind of get around. Now we're back down to the ground, I mean to the peat, so we can kind of get an idea of what we want to do, and we can walk around in here without tripping over stuff. So all right, I'll set you guys up. We're gonna get cleaning on this. Look at this level. It's a wood level. Wonder where Dad got that from. That's a gem. You know what? This shop vac, man, we're gonna see right now. This shop vac was upside down. I bet you it has a nice mouse nest in it. Let's find out. Here we go. Oh, there isn't. What the heck? I thought for sure there'd be just a nice mouse nest in there. I mean, there's a hole right there and everything. Huh. Tell you what, Archer is being a trooper. It's been a long day for him. He's gonna sleep good on the ride home, which was kind of how I lined it up. So he can get a nap here and a nap home. This is, I think, Dad's stovepipe. Pretty sure. Looks pretty bad to me, at least. And we got a busted up shovel. Well, the handle's bad. Looks like it was taped up. Oil can with nothing in it. You see these, there's a little bits of pine cone in there from the squirrels eating them, the red squirrels. That's a wrap on day number 1. Was up here for about 4 hours. I would imagine it's just about 1 o'clock. Yeah, so about 4 hours, and he's tuckered out, so he'll get a good nap in. But this is the destruction. I brought up a couple boards and a piece of wood. I don't know how I'm gonna quite, even using slats or just something more. Like Dad said, you know, if we plywooded it, that would be about the best thing you could do, but limited resources here. Tomorrow, though, we're going to tackle more of this. Hopefully the wind won't be like it is, and we can have a fire and slowly burn through some of that. And then I was going to bring home this trash and stuff today, but I'm not. I'm just going to let her be for today, and we'll come back. That grill is not trash, that's a keep. But I mean, I pulled out all these pine needles over a week ago, and you can see just how much moisture has been sitting in here, and that, I imagine, you know, kind of draws its way through the flooring and can get into the tent, and rather not have that happen. So we gotta do some fix it work. That's fine. And I asked Dad, I said, you want me to show any of this? And he said, yeah, you can show it. So you guys can see, having something like this, it's great. But, you know, eventually time does come where you have to kind of rework some of the stuff. And that's what we're seeing here. We're seeing a little TLC is needed. So anyways, tomorrow should be, I felt a little rush today up here. I'm just like trying to get everything done. Tomorrow, it shouldn't be like that. Tomorrow, I don't have anything else planned, I think. I'll have to make sure, but I don't think anything's going on, and it should be, I can come up here and work about it methodically and slow. It is hard with Archer. He puts a little thing in the mix, but he's a good kiddo.